Okay, do you want to know the actual value of your YouTube channel? Well, there's a way to do that, and it's with Social Blade, and we're going to talk about that right after this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose, recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Tuesday, July 21st, 2020. And we're going to go over Social Blade, and I'm going to show you a couple of things. We're going to go into YouTube Studio in a minute, but if you don't have Social Blade, it's free. You install it on your browser. And what we're looking at here, let's click on this button here. Then we're going to go into YouTube Studio, and I'm going to show you where it gives you even more stuff. So let's click on to the social on my channel here, and hopefully this is scrolling. I may have to redo this, but as you can see, it gives you the stats, grade C, and it has all these numbers here. And it tells you how many subscribers you got in the last 30 days, views in the last 30 days, estimated monthly earnings, estimated yearly earnings, and as you can see, I've got a lot of work to do, but I'm not monetized. I don't meet the threshold for monetization, but I'm always looking to do better. But I'm showing this for you, for your own good, because it's a great tool. And if you don't, now we can view more on Social Blade, or you can go into live subscriber count. I'm going to go into there in the YouTube Studio. So let's go back up here. Let's go in, because I want to show you how to get into that from YouTube Studio. So you click on YouTube Studio. And this will just take a second. I'm hoping that my OBS is keeping up with this, audio settings and that sort of thing. Okay, so if you go here on the left, right under dashboard, since I have Social Blade set in, it says live subscriber count. So you go into here, click that, and then it tells you live subscriber count by Social Blade. Then it goes into Social Blade stats. I don't want to go into streamer mode, first of all, because I'm not streaming right now, but you could. It gives you a green screen, and that's for a whole different video. This is really what I wanted to talk about here. So you click on that, and then it takes me to now, you can upgrade. I have the free version, but you can get upgraded versions of this. But as you can see, again, it tells me you got to see, and it goes through here all the ranks: the subscriber rank, video views rank, country rank, and I'm converting from sports. Most of my videos used to be sports, so because a bulk of my videos are on sports, it ranks it based on sports. So that's just that, and then it tells you subscribers in the last 30 days again, and then they value then the number of views, and I got a red arrow, and then yearly earnings and that sort of thing. And then I'm just trying to show you another tool as well. Social Blade is very awesome, and if you like these kind of videos, be sure to click on the subscriber button and hit the bell notification, and also go into my playlist and in the description and check the playlist, because I have a number of things there, and I do quite a bit of things. So check out my playlist, and we will talk to you next time.